To install STORMTRADER, you only need to follow a few steps. Double-click the downloaded installer to open the installation routine. If needed, choose an alternative installation folder or use the preset default. Confirm the license terms and click the Install button to start the installation. A few seconds later, the installation is complete. If you wish, you can delete the installer and launch the software by clicking the shortcut on the desktop. At the first start, you will be asked for the license key. In the wizard, you can enter the license key sent during the purchase and continue the activation. Done. STORMTRADER is now installed and ready to use. Take advantage of the brilliant features of our professional trading software and improve your trading for maximum profit. Get STORMTRADER right now.